Hi! Welcome to iQuestion PH. Today's question is: how do we solve word problems by rounding numbers? Rounding helps us find an approximate answer when we do not need an exact number. To solve a word problem using rounding, first identify the number and the place value you're asked to round to. The nearest 10, 100, or 1000. Then look at the digit immediately to the right of that place. Remember our simple rule: 0 to 4, round down. 5 to 9, round up. This rule helps us choose the nearest number quickly and correctly. Suppose Sarah bought 47 apples and we want to know approximately how many she bought by rounding to the nearest 10. The digit 4 is in the tens place, so we look at the digit to its right, which is 7. Since 7 belongs to 5 to 9, we round up. The 4 becomes 5, while the 1's digit becomes 0. Therefore, 47 rounds to 50. So Sarah bought approximately 50 apples. Now imagine that a school library has 385 books, and we need to round the number to the nearest 100. The digit 3 is in the hundreds place, and the digit immediately to its right is 8. Since 8 tells us to round up, the 3 becomes 4, and the digits after it becomes zeros. Thus, 385 rounds to 400, which means there are approximately 400 books in the library. The same rule works with larger numbers. If a company produced 4,289 mobile phones and we round to the nearest 1,000, we focus on the 4 in the thousands place and check the digit immediately to its right, which is 2. Since 2 belongs to 0 to 4, we round down. The 4 stays the same, and all the digits after it become zeros. Therefore, 4,289 rounds to 4,000. So the company produced approximately 4,000 mobile phones.